Nigerian players now go over, and De Gea and Ajiboye pat each other on the back. And it will be Nigeria to take the first penalty kick then. It must seem like a very long walk for Adil. There's a huge cheer for him as he walks from the halfway line. He has the responsibility of taking the first penalty kick of this penalty shootout. It's Adil against De Gea. And Adil scores. 1-0 to Nigeria. It was a well-taken penalty by the Nigerian left-back. De Gea guessed the right way, but it had real power behind it. Now, Illarramendi, the substitute for Spain. Can he equalise? The referee is telling him to put the ball on the spot exactly. And now it's Illarramendi against Ajiboye, who puts it wide. It's advantage Nigeria. The Nigerian fans are up behind the goal. Ajiboye looks to the heavens above. The West Africans have the advantage after one penalty each. Illarramendi couldn't get it on target, and he can't believe it. 1-0 then to Nigeria. The pressure is on David De Gea. Joshua has the chance to give Nigeria a 2-0 lead in the penalty shootout, and he does exactly that. Another coolly taken penalty into that same corner. This time, De Gea gets the wrong way. 2-0 to Nigeria. The pressure is really on Fran Merida now. He's had an excellent tournament and another brilliant display tonight from the Arsenal man. He looks focused. He has to be. But it's saved by Ajiboye. It's really not going Spain's way. Ajiboye guesses the right way, and he's delighted. Merida is absolutely shocked. It wasn't a good penalty. He didn't get any power behind it. Ajiboye guessed the right way and pulls off the save. Now stepping up for Nigeria is number 2, Oseni. Oseni for Nigeria, he scores! He sends De Gea the wrong way again. It's 3-0 to Nigeria. The Africans have a 100% record with their penalties so far. They have been superbly taken. Now Spain have to score every single one and hope that Nigeria miss theirs. Otherwise, it's Nigeria who will be the under-17 World Cup winners. The pressure is immense on Diego for Spain. And it's saved! And Nigeria are the under-17 World Cup winners. Winning 3-0 on penalties. 2 saves from Ajiboye. He will be the hero of the night. The under-17 World Cup trophy will be leaving Asia for Africa. Spain lose on penalties. Despair for the Spaniards. Sheer delight for the Nigerians. Bohan wants to get to his teammates to console them. It's so harsh on Spain. The two sides produced a very close final. There was nothing between the two teams after 90 minutes of football. We then had half an hour of extra time. Again, nothing between the two sides. Both Nigeria and Spain hit the crossbar. It had to be decided on penalties, and it's Nigeria who win 3-0 on the penalty shootout. And it's Nigeria who are the under-17 world champions. And for the first time in 14 years, they have secured the under-17 World Cup. And there's definitely something about Nigeria at under-17 level when they play in Asia. They won the first of their 3 under-17 World Cups in China, their second in Japan, and now their third here in Korea. They pose for photos. They are the jubilant Nigerians who have overcome Spain on penalties to win this 2007 FIFA Under-17 World Cup. Witnessed by one of the youngest football fans you'll probably ever see inside a football stadium. The trophy